Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, are you fine children? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay? Yes, so now today we are going to learn about our country India. Okay? Yes, so you can see the picture children, it is our country India. Can you see children? Can you see the picture? Yes, it is our country India. Okay, so India is the part of Asia continent. Okay, so there are 7 continents on the earth. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, so there are 7 continents on the earth. So we are in Asia continent. Okay, we are in Asia continent. Our country India is there in the Asia continent. Okay children. So India is the part of Asia continent. Okay. Then it is the 7th largest country in the world. So our country India is the 7th largest country in the world. World laye nama India largest country da, that is 7th place. Okay children. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, here population is more than 100 crore people. Okay, so our India population level is 100 crore people, more than 100 crore people living here. Okay, so India is the most populated country in the world after China. So the first population country China. Okay, after that India. Okay, first makkal togai adhigamaga irukkudiya country China. Okay, next place our country India. Okay, so India is the most populated country in the world after China. Okay, China is the first populated country, after that our India. Okay children. Okay, and India is also one of the most beautiful country in the world. So நம்ம வேர்ல்டில் இந்தியாவும் ஒரு most beautiful country. Okay, வேர்ல்டில் இந்தியாவும் ஒரு most beautiful country. அதுக்கு ரீசன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, our India has mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, host plains, coastal areas. Yes, so like this different physical features are there in our country. Okay, so our country is also called subcontinents. Okay, so that's why our India is called most beautiful country in the world. Okay children. Okay, so our India is the one of most beautiful country, okay, in the world. Okay children. So our country is not same everywhere. So our country India, yes, so our country India is not same everywhere. So it has many landforms. So our country India country, all the places not same everywhere. Okay, so in all the landscape, mountain, plains, plateaus, desert, island. Yes, so like this different landforms are there in our country. Yes or no children? So our country is not same everywhere. Okay, so it has many landforms. Okay, so we have mountains, plains, plateaus, desert and islands. Okay, so mountains means you know, yes, Malaihal. Okay, next plains means Samavali. Plains means Samavali. You can see the picture children. Plains means Samavali. Pulla irukkulla. So samamma irukkudiya places. Plains, flatland. Okay. Next plateaus means மேட்டு நிலப்பகுதி. Some places are higher than earth. Okay, higher than places. Higher places. Some areas higher place. Okay, மேட்டு நிலமா இருக்கும். Okay, so that is plateaus. Next desert means பாலைவனம். Full of sand. Okay, next island means pieces of land is there in the water bodies. Okay, so all the sides are water, one piece of land is there in the place, so that is island. Okay, தீவு. Okay, so like this we have many different landforms in our country. Okay children, so our country is not same everywhere. Okay, very few countries in the world can boast of the so much variety. This is what makes India so beautiful. Okay, so இப்படி நமக்கு நிறைய different landforms இருக்கனால நம்மளோட country most beautiful country-ஆ இருக்குது. Okay children, that's why our country is most beautiful country in the world. Okay, have you understood children? Next we are going to learn detailing all the landforms one by one. Okay children, first you can see the picture. It is Himalaya mountain range. Himalaya mountain range. Okay, mountain, Himalayan mountain. Do you know children? That is there in the northern area. Okay, so our country northern place, there is Himalaya mountain. Okay, so the Himalaya mountain ranges. Okay, so mountains are portion of the earth. Okay, mountains so நம்மளுடைய எர்த்தில் ஒரு portion. Okay children, so mountains are portion of the earth that rise stable from the surrounding area. Okay, so mountain means எப்படி இருக்கும்? You can see the picture children. Mountains na surrounding area விட உயரமா இருக்கக்கூடியது தான் mountain. Okay, so சுற்றுப்புறத்தை காட்டிலும் mountain எப்படி இருக்கும்? உயரமா இருக்கும், பெரிய மலைகளா இருக்கும் அப்படிதானே? So that is mountains. Okay, mountains are portion of the earth that rise stable from the surrounding area. Okay, okay children. Then a chain of mountain form a ranges. Okay, so mountain means only one mountain. Okay, so mountain chain means malai thodar. Okay, தொடர்ந்து மலைகளா இருக்கும்ல, so that is chain of mountain range. Okay, mountain range chain மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கும்ல, மலைகளா ஒரு மலை இடத்துல ரெண்டாவது மலை அப்படி மலைகளா ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கும்ல, so that is mountain range, மலை தொடர்கள். Okay, தொடர்ந்து மலையா இருக்கக்கூடிய இடம் தான், that is mountain ranges. Okay, so all along the north of our country lies in the mighty Himalayan mountain range. Okay, so all there in our country northern direction. Okay children, so Himalaya mountain is there in the north place. Okay, then these regions have some of the highest peak in the world. Okay, so there is Mount Everest. Okay, so Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, so Himalaya mountain la irukkudiya ஒரு மலை உச்சி. Okay, so that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, that is the highest peak in the world. நம்ம வேர்ல்டுலேயே ஹிமாலயாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மவுண்ட் எவரெஸ்ட் தான் ஹையஸ்ட் பீக். ஓகே, in the world. Okay, okay, it is the part of the Himalayan range. Okay, the highest peak are covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay, so highest place mountain மலைகளோட உயரம், மலை உச்சியில் இருக்கக்கூடியது தான் highest peak. Okay, மலைகளோட மலை உச்சியில் இருக்கக்கூடியது தான் mountain peak. Okay, so that is always covered with the snow throughout the year full. We have 12 months. Yes, 1 year we have 12 months. The 12 months also there is covered with the snow. The highest peak are covered with the snow. Okay, so the yearly. Okay children, so the mountain range is extremely cold. Okay, we cannot stay there. Okay, because that mountain ranges are very cold, extremely cold. ரொம்ப குளிர்ச்சியாக இருக்கக்கூடியது, ரொம்ப குளிர்ந்த இடம். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்மளால் அங்கேயும் முடியாது, இருக்க முடியாது. எஸ், ஃபுல்லாக இயர் ஃபுல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? குளிர்ச்சியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அங்கே நம்மளால் நினச்ச முடியாது, ஸ்டே பண்ணவே முடியாது. ஓகே, ஓகே, ஃபுல்லாக பனி. You can see the picture children. The picture also that is full of snow. Yes, so we cannot stay there. Okay, so the mountain ranges is extremely cold. Okay, okay children, have you understood about Himalaya mountain range? Yes, so the Himalaya mountains highest peak always covered with the snow. Yes, so there is full of snow. Yes, so that snows are form the rivers. Okay, so that snows are form the river. அந்த பனிலாம் உருகி அது ஆறா மாறுது. Okay, so that's why many of our big rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Okay, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, these three rivers. Okay, so many of our big rivers. Okay, this is the big rivers. It is start from Himalayas. Okay, because there is full of snow. Himalaya mountain range, the yearly full that is covered with the snow. Yes, so that areas are covered with the snow. Yes, so that's why the snows are formed many rivers. Okay children, so many of our big rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Okay, so these three big rivers start from Himalayas. Okay, so அந்த பனிலாம் உருகி the rivers என்ன செய்து form ஆகுது. Okay children, so Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, these three rivers are start from Himalayas. Okay, so this is the big rivers. Okay, so these three rivers are start from the Himalayas as they flow down to the plains area. Okay, so இந்த மூணு ரிவரும் ஹிமாலயாஸ்லேருந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகி எங்கே விழுது, flow down to the plains area. Okay, so several smaller rivers join the main river. Okay, and also some smaller rivers also join the main river Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Okay, so Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra are big rivers. Okay, in the plains area there is some smaller rivers also. Okay, so that rivers also join the main river. Okay, then the melting snow from the mountain keeps this river fleet through the hot and dry summer month. Okay, so the snow areas rivers la hot are good and the place the rivers la form ஆகி hot dry summerல கூட உங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுக்குது, தண்ணி கொடுக்குது. Okay, rivers feed through the hot and dry month. Okay, dry summer seasonல கூட அந்த ஸ்னோலாம் என்ன செய்யுது, மெல்ட் ஆகி ரிவர்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. அப்படிதானே, ஸோ that time that summer hot dry season time also this plains people get water from the rivers. Okay, as we move down to the lower slopes we found thick forest. This is called the Terai region. Okay, so thick forest. ஸோ நிறைய ரிவர்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த இடம் எப்படி இருக்கும், ரொம்ப ஃபெர்டைல் லேண்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தேர் இஸ் சம் thick forest also. Okay, so that forest are called Terai region. Okay, so you can see the picture children, there is some thick forest also. Okay, so that is called Terai region. Okay, next we learn about plains. Okay, so the northern place there is plains area. The northern place there is plains area. So plains are very expanses of that are gentle rolling down land. Okay, so plains are very expanses of flat land. Okay, so plains means flat land, samaveli. Okay, so as we go down to the south of Himalayas we come to the northern plains of India. Okay, so India, the Himalayas south direction, the Himalaya is there in the northern area. Yes, so India there is the north place, there is Himalaya. So Himalaya la irundhu south direction la irukudiyadha the northern plains area. Okay, okay, so there is northern plains area. Okay, so this is also called the Hanchet plains. Okay, Hanchantic plains. Okay, so many rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, so the northern plains area there is Ganga and Yamuna rivers flow through this plains area. Okay, so Ganga, Yamuna, the two big rivers flow through this plains area. So this makes the land very fertile and most suitable for cultivation. Okay, so that two rivers are there in the northern plains area. Yes, so that's why that land was very fertile. That land was very fertile and most suitable for cultivation. So பயிர் செய்கிறதுக்கும் அந்த இடம் ரொம்ப செழிப்பான இடமா இருக்குது. because there is river, Ganga Yamuna river. Yes, so that rivers makes the land very fertile and most suitable for cultivation. Okay, children. So there is wheat. Wheat is the main crops of northern plains area. Okay, so northern plains area la wheat is the most important crops. Okay, so northern area there is their main food is wheat, godumai. Okay, so this region is thickly populated region. Okay, so here many well-known cities and towns are located. Okay, so the northern plains area, thickly populated area. Okay, children, so here many well-known cities and towns are located along the bank of river Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, so in the plains area. Okay, so it is very hot in summer and very cool in winter. Okay, so winter season romba cool ah irukum, summer season romba hot ah irukum. Okay, okay children, have you understood clearly about northern plains? Yes. Then next we learn about the Thar desert. Okay, so Thar desert. Okay, so a large area of land covered with the sand is called desert. Okay, so you can see the picture, children. You can see the picture, Thar desert. Okay, so it is Thar desert, the large area of land covered with the sand. Okay, so manalala cover ஆயிருக்கிற அந்த place தான் நம்ம desert, பாலைவனம். Okay, so large area of land with the covered by sand is called desert. Okay, so as we travel to the northern west part of our country, the landscapes changes. Okay, so northern west direction, you can see the landscape. The landscapes are changing. Yes, so we can see the miles and miles of sand. Okay, so northern west part our country, the northern west part there is desert area. Okay, we can see miles and miles of sand. So this area is called the Great Indian Desert or Thar desert. Okay, children, so Indian desert, Great Indian desert or the Thar desert. Okay, so in our country there is plains area, mountains area and Thar desert also. Okay, so large area of land covered with sand is called desert, full of sand. Okay, so in the land full manalala irukudho, manalala cover ayirukudho, so that area only called desert, palaivanam. Okay, so this region had very little rainfall. Okay, so in the region la oru chedi edume kedaiyadhu. Yes, so this region gets very little rainfall. Okay, so Thar desert region gets very little rainfall. Okay, you can see the picture, that is Thar desert, having different color. Yes, our India, the northern west part, there is Thar desert. Okay, so this region get very little rainfall. Okay, so அங்கே மழை வராமல் கூட இருக்கும், அப்படியே மழை வந்தாலும் ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். So there is very little rainfall. Okay, so the climate is here dry and hot in summer. Okay, so summer season there is very dry and hot, very hot. Okay, the climate is dry and hot in summer and cold in winter. Okay, summer season na பாலைவனத்தில் இருக்கவே முடியாது, ரொம்ப ஹாட்டாக இருக்கும். எஸ், வெரி ஹாட். And winter season very cool. Okay, very cool. Okay, so life in the desert is difficult. Okay, we cannot stay there. Okay, so life in the desert is very difficult. Okay, so the desert region is not thickly populated because there is very dry climate. Yes, so there is less population only. Okay, not thickly populated in this region. Okay, children, next, camel is commonly used in the desert for transport. Okay, because the camel only can walk to the stand. Okay, so the camel is commonly used in the desert for transport. ஸோ அவங்க எங்கே போகணும் வரணுனாலும் என்ன செய்வாங்க, கேமல்ஸை தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இங்கே வாழக்கூடிய மக்கள் எங்கே போகிறதுக்கும் வர்றதுக்கும் அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுற டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் கேமல். ஓகே, ஸோ கேமல் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கால்டு த ஷிப் ஆஃப் டெசர்ட். ஓகே, camel is also called the ship of desert. Okay, their transport facility camel. Okay children. Next, the southern part of India is the peninsula. Okay, so south direction of India, south direction there is peninsula. Okay, because peninsula means the piece of land of just into the sea and are surrounding by water bodies on this three sides. Okay, so three sides are surrounded by water bodies. Okay, three sides are water bodies and remaining one side only land. Okay, so that areas are called plains area. Okay, so our country there is three sides are oceans and another one side only Himalaya mountain. Yes, so the northern plains area, north area, that is Himalaya mountain, and west, east, south, that three sides are water bodies. Yes, oceans. Yes or no children? So our country India is peninsula country. So our country India is peninsula country. Okay, peninsula means a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, three sides water are surround ஆயிருக்கும், water all surround ஆயிருக்கு, and one side only Himalayan land. Okay, so that is peninsula. Okay children, so southern part of India is peninsula. Southern part of India is peninsula. You can see the picture children. The west direction, east direction, and south direction there is oceans. Yes, then north direction there only Himalaya. So our country is peninsula country. Okay, okay children. Next, plateaus. Plateaus means மேட்டு நிலம். Plateaus means மேட்டு நிலம். Okay, so a plateau is the flat top region that is raised above the surrounding land. Okay, so surrounding land விட உயரமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியாஸ் தான் நம்ம plateaus, மேட்டு நிலம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay, so our country India has Deccan Plateau. Okay, our country India has Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau region has many rivers like Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi. So these regions are rain fed. Okay, so மழை தண்ணீர். Okay, rainfall time here many rivers like Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari. Okay, the Deccan Plateau region has many rivers like Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi. Okay, so these regions are rain fed. Okay, so they often become dry during the summer. Okay, so rainy season there is many rivers. Okay, in the Deccan Plateau. Okay, so summer season the rivers are dry. Okay, during the summer season the rivers are dry. Okay, so unlike the snow feed rivers of northern, this region is very rich in minerals. Okay, so the Deccan Plateau regions are very rich in minerals. Okay, okay children, because the rainy seasons the rivers or that areas are very fertile. Okay, so மழை தண்ணீர், மழையிலிருந்து மழை தண்ணீர் மூலமாக நிறைய மினரல்ஸ்லாம் செஞ்சிடும், மண் அரிப்பு மூலமாக மினரல்ஸ்லாம் நினச்சிட்டு அந்த மழை தண்ணீர் அரிச்சிட்டு வரும். எஸ், ஸோ that time that areas are very rich in minerals. ஸோ அந்த டைமில் அந்த ஏரியா நல்லா ஃபெர்டைலாக இருக்கும், செழிப்பானதாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, so some part of the plateaus are covered with a thick forest. Okay, some plateaus areas are covered with a thick forest. So this region has a moderate climate that is neither too hot or too cold. Okay, ஸோ அந்த இடம் ரொம்ப ஹாட்டாகவும் இருக்காது, ரொம்ப கூலாகவும் இருக்காது, மிதமான வெப்பமாக இருக்கும், மிதமான கிளைமேட் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ரொம்ப ஹாட்டாகவும் இல்லாமல் ரொம்ப கூலாகவும் இருக்கும் இல்லாமல் மிதமாக இருக்கும்ல, மாட்ரேட் கிளைமேட். ஓகே, ஸோ த பிளாட்டூஸ் ஏரியாஸ் ஆர் moderate climate. Okay, so to the west of Deccan Plateau or mountains called the Western Ghats, to the east of Deccan Plateau or mountains called the Eastern Ghats. Okay, so the Deccan Plateau mountains are called the west direction Deccan Plateaus, Western Ghats, and the east direction Deccan Plateau or Eastern Ghats. Okay, மேற்கு மலைத்தொடர்ச்சி and கிழக்கு மலைத்தொடர்ச்சி. ஓகே, மேற்கு மலைத்தொடர், கிழக்கு மலைத்தொடர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ the west direction there is Western Ghats and east direction Deccan Plateau, east direction there is Eastern Ghats. ஓகே, மேற்கு மலைத்தொடர், கிழக்கு மலைத்தொடர். ஓகே, these mountains are not as high as those in the Himalayan ranges. There are narrow strips of plains and along the east and west coast of India they are called coastal plains. Okay, so east west direction there is coastal plains, India, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Yes, so there is coastal plains, coastal area. Okay, so west and east direction there is coast. Okay, கடற்கரை. Okay, so that areas are coastal plains area. Okay children, next island. So island means, you can see the picture children, an island is the piece of land. Okay, island means தீவு, island means தீவு. Okay, a piece of land, and piece of land surrounded by water. Okay, so all the sides, the four sides are surrounded by water. Okay, so that piece of land is there in the water. Okay, so that is island, தீவு. Okay, if you look closely at the map of India, you will find several smaller islands in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So in our country India there is some islands. Okay, you can see the picture children. India, the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, there is some islands, Lakshadweep Island and the Bay of Bengal there is Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, so Arabian Sea there is Lakshadweep Island and Andaman Nicobar there is the Bay of Bengal there is Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, you can see the picture children, that is the island. Okay, so an island is the piece of land surrounded by water. So if you look at the India map closely, we can find Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal there is some smaller island. Okay, so in the Bay of Bengal there is a group of islands called Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, so Bay of Bengal there is some group of islands are there. Okay, so that is Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, then in the Arabian Sea there is another group of islands are called Lakshadweep Island. Okay, in Bay of Bengal there is Andaman Nicobar Island and in Arabian Sea there is Lakshadweep Island. Okay, so these islands are part of our country. These islands are part of our country. Okay children, so our country India has mountains, northern plains area and plateaus, desert, islands and peninsula. Yes, so these all the landforms are very important. Yes, so all the landforms are in our country. Yes, so India is most beautiful country in the world. Okay children, that's why our India is the most beautiful country, because all the landforms are there in our country. Yes, yes or no children, that's why our India is most beautiful country in the world. Okay, have you understood clearly children? Have you understood clearly about our India physical features? Yes, then now you are going to take your social classwork note children. We are going to write classwork now. Take your classwork note and write today classwork. Put the date. First of all, you can write the fill-ups. After that, you can write the meanings. Okay, children. So first of all, you can take your social classwork and write today date and day. After that, you have to write physical features. Then write the fill-ups, fill in the blanks. So first fill-up, India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. You can underline 7th. Okay, then second, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. You can write Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. You can underline Mount Everest. Okay, then third, plains are very expanses of flat land. So you can underline plains. Then fourth, wheat is the main crop of northern plains. Wheat is the main crop of northern plains. Okay, can you write, children? Can you read now? So first one, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Second, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Third, plains are very expanses of flat land. Then fourth, wheat is the main crop of northern plains. Then fifth one, the large area of land covered with sand is called desert. The large area of land covered with sand is called desert. Okay, then sixth, leave one line and write sixth one. Camel is called the ship of desert. Camel is called the ship of desert. Okay, then seventh, an island is the piece of land surrounded by water. An island is the piece of land surrounded by water. You can underline island. Then eighth, a peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by large water bodies on three sides. You can underline peninsula. Okay, children, have you written? Now we are going to read. All of you listen. India is the 7th largest country in the world. All of you say India is the 7th largest country in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Plains are very expanses of flat land. Then fourth, wheat is the main crop of northern plains. The large area of land covered with sand is called desert. Camel is called the ship of desert. An island is the piece of land surrounded by water. A peninsula is the piece of land surrounded by large water bodies sides on three sides. Okay. Next you can write meanings. Meanings. Mountains, land which rises stably from the surrounding area. Mountains, land which rises stably from the surrounding area. Okay, then plains, flat and level land. Flat or level land. Flat and level land. Okay, then fertile, land in which plants grow well. Land in which plants grow well. Fertile. Okay, then desert, large area of land covered with the sand. Large area of land covered with the sand. Then plateaus, a large area of fairly level land that is raised up above the surrounding area. A large area of fairly low level land that is raised above the surrounding area. Plateau, a large area of fairly level land that is raised above the surrounding area. Then peninsula, a piece of land jutting into the sea and surrounding by water on three sides. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. Okay, so today we have written 8 fill-ups and 7 meanings. Yes, so today you have to study the 7 meanings and write and see in your rough note. Okay, study and write the answer in your homework note. Today homework, the 7 meanings. Okay, children, study and write the answer in your homework note. Okay, you have to study. Okay, then we will see you next class. Have a nice day. Bye.